Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Man, today I really wanted to do some cornmeal pudding. That was actually the plan for today, but I don't know if you guys realize it's a bit gloomy out. It rained last night, so the wood is definitely gonna be not good. It's not gonna be dry enough to be lit, so that's the vibe right now. But anyway, I'm just gonna give you guys, my last day here for now, because I should be back probably before the month is done. What's happening. Currently right now I'm making some fried dumplings. I already had the corned beef from yesterday, so I'm gonna do that really quick. I'm not gonna do no long video showing you how to do that. That don't make no sense. And get something to eat before I get ready to head off from this place. So I'm just there for my little mix up. I bought the stuff. Basically some of these stuff are the stuff for the cornmeal pudding, but yeah, that's the vibe. Yo, trying to cook with the wind blowing on the fire is ridiculous. It's hard, man. Super windy day here, really windy. So I definitely couldn't have done any outdoor cooking in peace if I wanted to. Alright, so basically I already needed the flour a little bit and leaving it here to rise for a bit. Hopefully that's gonna make it a bit softer, yes? Yep. Alright, fried dumpling them checky, now. Much of it is a 6, and I still have a couple more to make, probably like 4 more. So maybe I can share a few of them, yeah? Alright, give them a next minute or 2, and they should be done. Alright, dumpling them done, or most of them. Leave them to cool just from the little river breeze, and yeah, I'm telling you, man, this is my favorite part. Boy. Alright, so the last of the dumpling them just drop in. I will have some ripe plantains there, or semi-ripe plantains. I will go press out right afterwards, Now what I kinda like about the pressed semi-ripe plantain is kinda like the outside is very crispy and very sweet, but the inside is a little bit more, how can I say, it's a little bit more bready, a little bit softer, which I kinda like that version when you do it. I like fried plantain anyway, but sometimes they do something different and you're like, yo, okay, cool, this can work. So that's a vibe. Just take my dumpling then. Crispy outside, soft inside. Alright, so just press out 2 plantain with that, so that'll be a vibe. And just drop in like a leftover corned beef and just heat up back. So that's it. Vanilla! Alright guys, so my time with the river people is actually coming to an end. Yeah, that's what I call them. Really great time staying here. Definitely booking back here sometime really soon. So you guys should see more videos of me here. Didn't get to do some stuff that I wanted to do because again, when I travel somewhere new, I need time to acclimatize, to get used to the place, you know, the people and stuff like that. Even though the people here might be changing every now and again, but that's the vibe. Oh, about the fried dumplings, I gave it to some of them and they're like, oh my god, it's so great. But to be quite honest, I've had better Jamaican fried dumplings before. Fried dumplings for me is something that it's a skill, you know, to get it the way that you want it. I like my fried dumplings, you know, fluffy. I like it really fluffy. That one was fluffy, a little bit dense. The exterior was a bit crispy and stuff, which I kind of liked, but it's not the way that I like it. So I'm definitely going to mess around with the recipe more because I don't do fried dumpling very often. Maybe that was the first time in like, man, half a year or so. So anyway guys, I'm gonna work on that recipe and then in future I will do a video on it when I perfect that recipe. Yeah, it's pretty much gonna be the end of this video, guys. Thanks for coming along on this trip. If you like videos like these and you want to see me take more trips, you know, by the river and do some cooking out here, like outdoors and stuff, give this video a like, I'd appreciate it. And remember these 3 things, guys: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.